Okay, guys, so we have one more problem left, and this is number 6, which is the last problem on your Hess's Law worksheet. So we are going to follow the steps that we always follow. The first thing we're going to do is we are going to highlight the compounds or elements that are unique to their equation. So let's take a look. We have on the top, looks like it is going to be N2. Right? It is only in the first equation, but not in the second or third. And then if I take a look, nope, it's not NH3. Nope, it's not water. Looks like NO2 is all by itself in the second equation. Okay. And then let's take a look at the third equation, just see if there's anything. We have oxygen, we have water. Okay. And then we have, we have water, we have hydrogen, and then we have oxygen, which seems to only reside in that third equation. Okay, so those are the compounds that we are going to use to make up our rules. So for nitrogen, what we're looking for are coefficients and what side of the equation it's on. Coefficient is 1. In the original, it is 1. In the first equation, it is 1. In the original equation, N2 is on the reactant side. Great. In equation 1, it is on the reactant side. So guess what? I'm leaving that alone. No instructions needed. The next one, we have 2NO2, which is on the product side. And in the original, it's in the product side. Coefficient is 2N2. Guess what? We're leaving that one alone too. Now, this last one is going to be quite a problem. All right. So here's the deal. We have half an oxygen. And then in the original equation, we have 2 oxygen. So first thing, the coefficients are not the same. Second thing, they are on the wrong side of the equation. So the first thing I know that I need to do is I am going to have to flip this equation because I need that oxygen to be on the reactant side instead of the product side. Okay. And then the next thing is I need to turn this 1/2 into a 2. So how are we going to do that? The way you're going to do that is you're going to multiply the coefficient by 4. Okay, 4 times 1/2 is going to equal 2. So those are your instructions. Okay, so now let's rewrite our stuff based on the instructions. So for N2 and 3H2, and we have our 2NH3. I did not make any changes at all, so my heat is going to stay the same. Same for this next one, 2NH3 plus 4 water make 2 NO2s. I did nothing to change it, so that is going to stay the same as well. Okay, now this third equation, I'm going to multiply everybody by 4 and I'm going to flip them. So I'm going to have 2O2 plus 4H2. Sorry, my video cut out, my audio cut out for a minute. Sorry about that, y'all. And then on the other side, I'm going to have 4H2O. Okay. Oh, and let me not forget, I'm having issues with my audio, y'all. Let me not forget, I'm completely ignoring a product up here. So let me put that in. I don't want to confuse you guys. Okay, so this should be, now that I've gotten the equations correct, that should be what's going on. Now, here's the deal for my heats. I have minus 43.7. I flipped it, so that makes it positive 43.7. And then I need to multiply by 4. So that gives me a number of 174.8 kilojoules. Okay, so now we need to go through and make sure that everything cancels out like it's supposed to, or what we need to stick around stays around, I guess. So I have 2NH3, 2NH3. I have 3, 4, that's 7. Oh, sorry, hold on. 3, my brain is playing tricks on me. 3, 4, that is 7. I have 7, those go away. Okay, I have 4 waters. I have 4 waters, they go away. What do I have left? Hopefully I have what I need left. I have N2 plus 2O2 yields my 2 NO2s. Okay, so now that I know that it looks like my original equation, I can add up all of my heats. So I have negative 115 and negative 142.5, and then I have positive 174.8. Okay, so that leaves me with an answer of negative 82.7 kilojoules. And that finally is the answer to number 6. All right. So when you guys are doing these problems, please make sure that you are checking yourself just to make sure you didn't make any silly mistakes. Right? Hopefully that was helpful. Bye.